Hey guys, we're back here with a 2013 Ford Edge Ford that has a bit of a problem. So, let me get you set up here and I'll explain what's going on. Jeez. Okay, now that we can see what we're doing. So this is my sister's car. She calls me the other day, tells me the car won't go into drive. It starts and runs, but the shifter won't move. So I'm just thinking, okay, it's a shift interlock problem. And I show her, or I tell her how to override the issue and then get it into drive. Well, I go over to look at it that next night, and that wasn't the issue. What I did notice is when you pressed on the brake pedal, nothing happened anywhere. And I was just looking, and I'm like, oh, she doesn't have brake lights. So this switch, where is it? Right here. Yeah, right here. Brake light switch has gone bad. So I just did a quarter turn to the right to pull it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace it with a brand new one. Now, so I took it out and I fiddled with it before, and it's been working for a minute. But who knows how long that minute's gonna last. So what I need to do is I just need to go get to depress that. My big fat fingers can't do it. I'm just gonna get a pick so we can get that off. It's hot today. Here's what I'm gonna do. There we go. That comes out. New one goes in. And then where did it go? To find where it went again. Aha. There's the hole where it goes in. Up. Let's see. Flat, then a quarter counter turn clockwise. So goes in like this, turns sideways, and it sticks. Now that's done. So we've replaced the stoplight switch on our 2013 Ford Edge. So if your shifter doesn't go into drive, you know, it's like locked in the park position, don't discount this before you think it's going to be your safety switch in your shifter. Check your brake lights. If they don't come on or to press the brake, here's your problem. So if you like what you saw here, give us that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you all next time.